Alright guys, I just wanted to show how our new warp system is going to be used. Basically we are going to migrate all of the existing warps into this current system. It's still a work in progress, we're working on it every single day, but all of your warps should be displayed in here. The public and private um, status may not be correct. If it's not, all you're going to want to do is click on your warp, click switch to public or private, and it should be good. Um, I'm also just going to go over how to create warps now. You're going to want to go into your warps, you're going to click create a warp, and this is going to create a warp in your location where you're standing. You're going to want to delete everything in here, make a whatever name, and you're just going to click the little paper here, and it'll tell you that you created your warp. Next, you're going to want to categorize your warp or tag it as whatever it is. And if it is public, you're going to want to make it public, and then change the category to whatever it is. So if it's a shop, you're going to want to tag it as a shop. And we have a whole bunch of different categories. We have public, shop, grinder, attraction, town, and miscellaneous. But basically what that's going to do is organize all the warps in here. So as you can see, there's some shops, there's an attraction here. Not everyone has changed their tag yet because we're just testing this. You can also search for warps by category. So if you click on shop, it'll show all the shop warps in here. And then you can also rename it, you can relocate. This is in case you want to invite people to your private warp, you use this share feature right here, and then you can just teleport it as well. So I think that is it. Another huge point that I need to make here is that in the past you were able to create warps with duplicate names. Like you could do warp with capital S shop and then a warp shop with lowercase, and they both take you to different places. Now you cannot do duplicate names like that. So if you do have a warp that has a duplicate name, I'm going to let everyone know before we make the change, but we need to make sure you have a way to get to your warp, so that if it is duplicate, you can just rename it, and so you just need to make sure you have a way to get to your warp location, if that makes sense. But yeah, I think that is it. I'm going to put more details in the announcement.